all, welcome to one of our other videos today. I thank you so much for watching our videos. We truly appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe, follow, share, and leave a comment in the comment section to let me know where you're watching from and what next would you like to see, if there is any preference. So today I'm showing you how I make this breakfast item. I'm using fried plantains with a mango salsa. So you see I have about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I cut my plantains, and now you see them fried there, and these are a little bit darker, but I love them just the way they are. You can make them lighter, and you'll see I cook some lighter one for you guys, and I'm gonna be showing you that it's not burned in, although it's brown and crispy outside. And you're gonna remove them from the skillet, maybe 1 to 2 minutes on each side, and drain them on some paper towel or napkin, or you can put them on a rack if you choose to. And so there I'm doing another batch. This will be of a lighter color for you guys, just to see what the lighter color looks like. And I'm going to be adding Creole seasoning on this once again, just like I did before. In this recipe I will not be using the cilantro for my mango salsa, but if that's to your liking, then you can do that. And you see I just showed you my plantains that were fried before, that were a little bit darker the way I like it. And so here is some lighter color ones. After a minute I flip them, and remember to use medium flame or low to fry the plantains. And I'm draining them again on some napkin. And then we're going to be moving on to make our salsa. So you'll need a mango. Mine is ripe almost, but I don't want it to be too soft in my salsa, so we call it turned mango, so not fully ripe. And I'm gonna just cutting those in a bowl and get them into smaller pieces. And then I'm going to be adding my fresh seasoning. So there I have some colored bell peppers or sweet pepper, and then I'm adding some chopped red onions. So now I'm going to be adding some garlic powder just to bring up the flavor of my mango. I'm going to be adding my Creole seasoning, or all-purpose, as many of you may know it as. And then I'm going to be adding some parsley and some freeze-dried chives. Once I finish adding the chives, then we are going to be adding some lime juice, but first we'll add some black pepper and then the lime juice, and then we'll combine together. So you want to get all the seasoning over your mangoes to give it that flavor. And then I tasted it and decided I wanted to add a little bit of salt, some sea salt there, to bring up the flavor of the mangoes with all the other spices and seasoning. So combine that together, and then I'm showing you the goodness. I thank you so much for watching our videos, and we truly appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video. And there is just the presentation. Have a good day. Bye.